Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Seauto Seal Intelligent Robotic Pull Vacuum. Alright, so today we have received our Seauto Robotic Pull Vacuum. This one here has an intelligent path planning for automatic pool cleaning. The working time is up to 2 to 2.5 hours cordless. This one is offered in two different colors. They do have a purple and a white. I did purchase the purple color. So this one here has a mega suction power. It uses 3 brushless motors to move and suction 2 to 2.5 hours of cordless cleaning. It is curved wall climbing, cleans the pools and the floor. So we're going to go and open up this box and see what we get inside this one. So first off, once you see the box is open, you do get a instructions manual and you get the power cord. So first off, right here is the instructions manual. It tells you about warnings and cautions. And then we move to the next one. It tells you the package lists and the LED status. Blue means working, red means charging, green is fully charged, yellow means it's resetting, and white is firmware update. So this is what the light indicator. So this is the packaging list. You get the vacuum, you get the basket, the charger, the hook, and a user manual. So in the next one, it basically gives you the overview using the pool cleaner, the instructions, the pool cleaner, other options. So it tells you the modes that they have. So I know there is a mode to do just the bottom. They have the mode to do just the walls, or you have another mode which is just both of them. So now this one here, you can download an app for Android and iOS. So you got troubleshooting, so that's what's in the user manual. So then right here you do get the power cord. This one here plugs into the vacuum itself, and then you get the 110 charger, and then you get the pull hook. So you use a scopic pull. This one here helps lift it up, but I don't use this one. I have another alternative method that I use and I will show later in the video. So first off, right here is the pool cleaner. This is a dual drive system which is equipped with a high front speed scrubbers and standard back scrubbing. It is strong, super clean ability to high frequency, fast speed, deep cleaning, which will leave your pool sparkling clean. This cleaner adapts to sonar navigation technology and is equipped with multiple sensors which can precisely precise the location, the intelligent plan that pass the identity obstacles of avoiding getting stuck. You can see right here are the brushes right here, and then you get the battery right here at the bottom, and then you've got the feet right here. So this helps also bring into the debris. So that helps to climb up the walls. So this has 3 cleaning modes, which is being able to the floor and wall. Anywhere left, it's suitable in ground pools and above ground pools for up to 2,100 square feet. It does have a fast charging. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. This cordless vacuum is equipped with a 7,800 milliamp rechargeable battery, which can provide endurance up to 150 minutes and is suitable for all in-grounds or above ground pools up to 2,100 square feet. So this is a battery pack that goes on the below. So you can see that it's got really nice durable feet, the brushes. It's got one in the front, one in the back. This is super heavy duty. It is not super small. It is kind of heavy. So this does a very well job of cleaning the pool. So you do get this little plastic thing at the top. It just gives you some information about customer service. So this here is a locking mechanism. When you want to open this up, you just push the locking mechanism back and it should pop right open just like this. So this is where your waste basket goes. At the bottom of this takes all the debris that's on the bottom of a pool that sucks it up. So we're just going to go and open that up. So right here it is in the lock position. We want to unlock it. So you just lift this up out of the way. So this is a little plastic thing right here. And then you just want to take this out before you use. And then now we're going to make our way to the basket. You just lift it up right here. They have these little hooks on the side to easily open it up. So you just open these up here. You got one on this side and you have one on the other side. Make sure you unlatch the other side right here. And it lifts right up so you can remove the debris by using a hose. So we're just going to pop this one back on. Make sure that these little clips right here clip on. It should snap in place. Right here, there's this one on this side. So just grab this and then stick it back in here. This is where all the debris goes right up in here. So once it's closed, all the debris won't come back out into your pool. So this has a saving valuable time. It saves energy. All you got to do is put it in your pool and then just let it set and do its thing. So that's where the bottom of the debris goes into the basket. So we're just going to pop the basket back up in here. And then we're going to take the little plastic top. It has these little hooks at the front. Those little hooks just clip right up in there and it locks it in place. And then you can push the lock button so it doesn't open up. So there's the locks right here. You can see there's 3 of them. You want to make sure that it grabs the top of these and it pushes towards the outwards so it locks right in place. So we're going to go ahead and then lock that as soon as I push this right in here. Now we're going to make our way to the back of the vacuum. So it says here you got the power button that is on the left side, the menu button on the right. So it says thank you for choosing the Seauto pool. It says how to use, press to turn on, 1 to switch it on to press the modes, cleaning modes, hold to switch off. So you just hold that down to turn it off. So this one here turns on and then it'll flash. That basically means this is on. And then when it flashes red, it means that it needs to be charged. So in the previous part of the video, I explained you what these flashing lights mean. So this is the charger plug right here. So it is very well sealed. So when it's underwater, it doesn't get wet or damaged. So now I'm going to do is going to set this up. And then I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to install this into my pool so it can start doing its job in cleaning. We had a recent storm, so a bunch of dirt had made its way to my pool and my other vacuum stopped working. So now I purchased this one just so I can get it to clean my pool. So we're just going to go outside and you'll put this in my pool. But first off, before you do that, you want to make sure you take this plastic off. You do not want to put it in there. So if you have any questions or concerns, it tells you right here you can contact support. It gives you an 800 number, also a website, and it gives you a little bit more information about the filter system. But you can also find all that information here in the instructions manual. So let's go make our way outside and go ahead and turn this on. So my previous robot that I had was the Smo robot. This one here I used for a while. Now it turns on, but it does not clean. This is the reason why I had to purchase another pool vacuum. I do like the bigger ones, especially for the below ground pool. So you know if they can clean those ones, you definitely know that they can clean the above ground. So as you can see, this one right here, it's just flashing. It does not turn on. Even when I put it in the water, it just sits. So now we're going to make our way to my new pool vacuum and I'm going to show you how to use it.
Welcome to the Seauto pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now wall only. Floor only.
So I'm just going to go ahead and let it just fall down to the floor because it can do it itself. So this does have a robust battery life, the sonar technology, filter basket, brushless motor. It's got a super suction replacement battery compartment, and the super strong suction is 45,000 PA. It has got triple cleaning modes, floor only mode, wall only mode, and then all mode. It's got a super fast charging from 1.5 to 2 hours, which gives you 2 to 2.5 hours. It'll never turn over. This is a super nice vacuum. Again, like I said, they do offer it in 2 different colors. You've got the purple and the white. This one here is the purple color. It is super nice. It helps clean your pool less than the time. You do not have to use your filtration system to clean your pool or have any hoses in the way. It is super nice. It is easy to know the status of your pool. It has a quick drainage through the built-in filtration systems, quickly absorbs the pool stains and filter and quickly releases the water. It's got a self-parking technology, automatically stop along the nearest wall for the cleaning is done. If the battery is lower than 10%, you just retrieve it out of the water with your little hook. You can see right here is the mess basket. This right here picks everything up. You don't got to worry about all that stuff going back into your pool. It does have an intelligent obstacle avoidance. It is self-detecting adjustable pauser to get rid of the trapping situation. Low power design, super processor guards your pool with care. It has an adaptable to all pool types, fiberglass, PVC foil, and it's got pebble stone. This one is a super nice pool. So what I did was, instead of using the clip, I had tied this one up from my previous vacuum. So I just put it around the back of this and it just basically floats to the top. So it's easy to grab. So when I grab this one here, it's going to tell you that the battery is low. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. So now that we have turned it off, I'm just going to unlock this. We're going to grab the debris basket. This is all the debris that caught from the bottom of the swimming pool. You just pop it out here like that. You can kindly see that they do have some debris in it. It wasn't leaves. I think there was a few of the leaves in there, but it was more dirt because we just had a dirt storm. So now again, I'm going to remove these little clips here on the side and just lift it up. And then I'm going to take my hose and clean it out. So this is basically what was on the bottom of my pool. A lot of dirt, even dirt that you couldn't even see, it just captured on this basket. So I'm going to go inside. So we got the charger right here. We're going to lift this piece up right here. We're going to take our plug and put it right in there. Make sure you push it in really hard.
Robot starts charging now.
So it's telling you that it is charging. Once it's complete with its charging, it will turn blue. Then you'll just take out the plug. So this is a super nice pool vacuum. It covers any kind of pool, whether you have in-ground, above-ground pool. It's got a really good suction. It has a really fast charging battery and it lasts a pretty long time. So if you're looking for a super nice pool vacuum, I would highly recommend checking this one out. You do get the options of this color right here, which is the purple color, or you also have the white color. Either which color you choose, this one is a super nice vacuum and I highly recommend this swimming pool vacuum regardless of what pool type you have.